I welcome the fact that the decision looks like it's going to be made to abandon the plan to dig up the Luas Green Line. It was a crazy proposal, and we spent hundreds of millions of euro building that Luas line, and it didn't make any sense to dig it up. It looks now like the metro is going to go ahead on the north side from the airport into the centre of the city. I think, however, we should still plan for a metro on the south side. There are parts of the southwest of the city that have no rail infrastructure and that badly need it. Areas such as Rathgar, Terenure, Templeogue, Firhouse, Rathfarnham, they're areas that badly need a rail infrastructure. And if we had a metro to those areas, we wouldn't need the proposal that's been put forward in Bus Connects that has gardens being taken away from people and huge amounts of money being paid in compensation. So it makes sense for a city like Dublin to have a metro link on the both north side and south side.
Yeah, Jim is right. Fianna Fáil supports the move to bring the metro to the airport, and we're delighted that piece looks like it's going to go ahead. We've raised the need for either a Luas tram or a metro to the south side, and here is a golden opportunity not to be wasted for the first time for the NTA to be given the mandate by the Minister for Transport to explore and begin exploring now the possibilities of connecting the Luas Green Line out through Harold's Cross, Rathmines, Terenure, Templeogue, Knockline, Rathfarnham, Ballycullen, those areas which are so poorly served by public transport. So we're bringing this up in a topical issue today, and we're going to continue to press it on the floor of the Dáil.